Bibingka has always been part of Filipino culture, especially for us Ilocanos and Cagayanos. We traditionally serve bibingka on special occasions like Thanksgiving Feast Day and Christmas season. The main purpose of Bibingkinitan is to serve and make it available to every Cagayanos a freshly baked bibingka anytime. Bibingkinitan RPT serves a 100% native Filipino rice cake, and variants include original bibingka, overload bibingka, cheese max bibingka, and the bibingka ensaymada. We also serve a native kapeng barako and hot chocolate. Aside from providing a sweet merienda for Cagayanos, Bibingkinitan also helps in providing livelihood among indigenous persons, the Aitas. Our native brothers and sisters helps in providing banana leaves for our tasty hot bibingka. Coffee beans for our kapeng barako are provided by farmers from Mountain Province and Kalinga. Everything from our bibingka is locally made.